Hi everyone, Cool Summers Guy here. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. There's the big box and here's the small box. However, these devices actually came from jjinc24, also known as Jared. He's been in the community for quite a while. And of course, he has a bit of a newer channel because he accidentally delayed, he deleted his Google account, which ended up resulting of his old YouTube channel being deleted too, so he had to make a new channel. But we're not here to talk about Jared's channel. We're here to talk about the unboxing video. Now, the reason I mention it because all these devices came from him, and we're about to see what I actually ordered. So, and I already opened this, of course. So, this is the first device, and there's his logo right here. This right here is a Wheelock CH1T-24. It actually looks like a WS strobe, but this actually has a 15 candela brightness. I'm going to go ahead and open up the other box, so be right back. Okay, now here's the bigger box. Go ahead and open this up. And it's just the receipts. And I'm actually going to put this all aside. That's my system, by the way, at the moment. So, first device I'm going to pull out. It looks like a simplex 4901, huh? Well, guess what? If we look in the back, it's actually a 4901 9811 tritone horn. Not very common to see them in the field or as a collector's item. And it has the three tones: horn, warble, and siren. Basically like an AES, but in a simplex form. So that's device number 2. Let's see what we have for device number 3. Right here, we have a first generation FCI MS2. I'm not going to pull it because I don't have my keys on me right now. They're inside the panel. That's device number 3. Should we have device number 4? We have a Simplex 425120. This is actually not your standard 425120. In fact, this is a first generation Simplex 4251. As you can tell, the handle is all metal. However, the casing, of course, is all plastic, but the handle itself is metal and there is no arrow, which indicates that this is a first gen. That's device number 4. Device number 5. Another FCI MS2. It's also first gen, just like that one. And this one is not as faded as that one. That's the back of it. Pretty sure this was pulled out of the system because you can tell there's a couple of wires attached to it, or wires that were cut. So that was device number 5. Let's go to device number 6. Look at that. Device number 6. This looks like a system sensor mask, right? Well, actually, this is a system sensor MAEH24M. This is a little bit different from a mask, and the differences they are the tones. And of course, the strobe's newer since it does, I believe, 15 candela. And it flashes just as slow as a usual 980 mask. That's device number 6. But last device in here. Device number 7. This is a Wheelock AS 24 1575. Of course, it has the screw in the mounting bracket. It is a first gen. As you see, there is the fire lettering right next to the strobe. So yeah, these are all the devices that I got from jjinc24. So if you're watching this, thank you very much for the devices. And for those who are wondering why he's selling these devices, well, he hasn't touched his collection in many years. So instead of letting it just sit in the dust, he decided to sell his entire collection on eBay. I'll put the link down to his eBay store down in the description so you guys can buy some alarms from him. And not to call him out or anything, but he has overpriced some rare stuff on there, of course, but eventually he will decrease those prices faster than gas prices going down. But this is all I want to show you. However, I do want to show you another device I did get, but it's not from jjinc24. Another Wheelock AS. This time it's actually a 3rd gen. I actually got this one for $4, free shipping. It was new in box. I threw away the packaging, so I can't really prove that it was actually new in box, but it does have the mounting screw as well as the mounting plate. And it does look like it came out from the factory box. So I do know that this particular AS was made in the 20th week of 2010. So it is a later model. But anyway, that'll be all for the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more unboxing videos down in the comments. Because I cannot see, well, I can still see the dislikes, but none of my viewers will see the dislike, unfortunately. Or see how many dislikes I got on my video. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.